Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back to the Drammeh Experience. It's your boy Dim.
And I'm Tay.
And we're back with another video. As you can see, the sun is still shining on me because we still in the Gambia right now. Oh.
This is our goat. Say hi.
So I'm back before he interrupted. So today we decide to leave our family home to go to a hotel because we wanted to show y'all where people should stay when they come to the Gambia, because not everybody gonna come to the Gambia and have a beautiful home like most people might be tourists, you know what I mean? So we're gonna go to a hotel called the African Princess Hotel, which I love. That's where I stayed at before the house was built. When I used to come out here, this is like my third time, I think, right?
Yeah, this is your third time.
Yeah, and I feel like it's one of the best hotels in Gambia. Not a lot of people talk about it. African Princess is a 4-star hotel, but
it's beautiful.
It's beautiful, bro. The aesthetics, everything. Y'all gonna see. We're gonna show y'all. So today we decided to get Villa, one of the best rooms at that hotel.
The best room.
Well, the best room at the hotel. And show y'all how it looks. And anybody that wanna come to Gambia, we would recommend y'all stay there.
So we are at one of our favorite bakeries in Gambia.
It's our favorite, I ain't gonna lie. We come here a lot.
And it's called King's Bakery. It's next to Senegambia. It's on Senegambia Road. It's called King's Bakery. They got another place in here called House of Chicken.
Fire too. It's giving better KFC.
Yeah, like Popeyes though. It's
even better.
Yeah, but it's mad good. It's fresh. And we're just getting some breakfast. So I'm a little sad they didn't have my favorite, which is the apple pies. Apple pie or apple croissant is so freaking good. So I got this custard croissant I'm gonna try. Dim got meat pies, which is the equivalent of like a empanada or beef patty. And we're only like 5 minutes away from the hotel driving. So we're gonna get there soon. So
we're finally here.
And we're at the African Princess Hotel. So the lobby is really nice. Yeah. We're just checking into our villa. We will show you more, but we're just waiting to check in right now. So far, so good.
As we said earlier, we are staying at the African Princess Hotel. Where we're staying at is the 3-bedroom villa, which is the only villa in this hotel. So we're about to show y'all how this villa looks. Let's get into the tour. This is the 3-bedroom villa at African Princess Hotel. $700 US, 40,000 dalasi. That's the currency named in Gambia. It's called dalasi. The US conversion is $700. That's crazy, son. For a 3-bedroom villa. So I'm about to show y'all. So before we get to the main living room, we got a little kitchen area, small little fridge. Or they gave us a fruit basket.
Oh.
Pineapple, bananas, grapes. Now, so this is the living room area. Got a little dining area, a little small couches. This part I like. This part is dope right here. Oh.
Can't even get in.
Damn, how you open this? Up.
No.
This way. I don't know why they did that, but we got our own private pool. And then we get a view of the other pool, the other area. Still got more lounge area. It's a part of the whole.
Oh, yay, you got in. Go ahead.
So we're about to get into the bedroom. Like I told you, it's 3 bedrooms. This is the bedroom, the only bedroom downstairs. It's 2 floors and 2 bedrooms upstairs. So we're gonna start with the bedroom downstairs, right here. Got his own big king size bed. Closet area with a safe, rose. Let's get into the bathroom. Bathroom is nice, got this touch. Right? This is the shower. Second bedroom, which is upstairs. King size bed, same Same layout, same vibe, with a nice little TV and a nice balcony with a view. And also the bathroom. One thing I like about these bathrooms is this right here, look. Oh, that's fire.
Tap it again, babe. Oh.
That's what I like about these. So let's get into the master. So this is the master bedroom. As you can see, we got 2 balconies wrapped around. Nice king size bed, right? Also, guest area, lamp, closet, and the bathroom again. So you can tell there's a different vibe right here. The lights already stay on. And our shower is a little different from everybody else's. They got straight glass. My favorite part is the wraparound balcony that we have though. I got it. Oh wait. So we got this balcony with the beach view. Lovely. As y'all can see, why we like the African Princess Hotel. A hotel that I love coming to. Like I said, it's like my 3rd time staying here. And I feel like it's very underrated because everybody goes everywhere else, but don't talk about the African Princess. So what we recommend, if y'all come to Gambia, stay at the African Princess Hotel. It is dope.
Right now we're on our way to eat lunch. It's a late lunch though, it's like 6 o'clock, so technically it's dinner. We're eating at a place called, I think it's called Plaza B.
Yeah.
It's a really good restaurant and it's close to our hotel. So we're going there. I think one of the good things about us staying at the African Princess for the night is also that we have access to more things because where we live at is closer to the airport. And right now Gambia, they're redoing their roads, so it takes us a very long time to get around, but it takes us sometimes 40 minutes to get over here
because everything is just messed up. Like you said, they're redoing the roads.
They're redoing the roads. So us staying at African Princess does allow us to have access to more of like the restaurants and things because most of the restaurants are in the area of where we're staying at, and that's like Senegambia's area. So I lied. I said Plaza B. Look at this. It's Plaza B. It's so nice. So the menu's on our phone. They have a lot of options. I think I'm gonna get that shrimp thing. Prawn with an exotic salad. Ooh, exotic salad. What's even in that?
Yeah, I don't know what to do.
The mosquitoes is killing me out here, bro. So, we're up early. We're at the gym. It's a very modest gym, but they got weights, so I'm here for the weights. It's giving DIY, but I'm gonna get a little workout in. Dim, are you gonna work out?
Yeah, just don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just do weights straight.
We're gonna get back to our room. And I think I'm gonna splash in the pool if I have enough time. You know, I always try it when it's time to check out. But I gotta hit the gym first. So let's get our little workout in.
We'll get our workout in.
Because it's almost time to check out. We got a little workout in. Mostly like weights and stuff. Because the treadmill wasn't working, so I did some jump ropes and things. But the jump rope was too short for Dembo. He's a tall guy. But we got a little workout in. I feel my little arms burning. We're gonna see if we can get late checkout. And then after that, we're gonna head out. But so far, so good. We had a good time at African Princess.
So, we're back. Our stay has finished because, like we said, we're here only for one day to show y'all where I think y'all should stay when y'all come to the Gambia, the African Princess Hotel. There was one thing that I should bring up that we didn't bring up earlier was the no kids.
So yeah, they said that there's no kids here. So we thought that we can like have Raya come for the morning and then leave in the afternoon. but they don't allow children here, so they don't allow children under 12
under 12.
in the resort, and that's not something that's like advertised on the website or on the booking site. So we're just letting you know, hopefully people see this message and they don't come here with kids. As you can see, they have a lot of pools, so they don't like young children in the resort for the liability of a kid falling in the pool. There are 9 pools. If you're traveling with a family like us, just know that you can't bring small children, but other than that,
children that's under
12 years old, yes.
Yeah, but other than that, our stay was dope. You know what I mean? I love the villa. They have rooms that range from $150 a night to $600 a night, and the $600 obviously was the villa that we stayed at. And back in the States, a villa, 3-bedroom, you're not getting it at $600.
Not at all.
You know what I mean? So I recommend anybody that come out to the Gambia, stay at the African Princess Hotel.
So there are different types of rooms you can get here. Like we said, we experienced so far the swim out room and the villa for this time. If you have any questions about this stay, please drop it below in the comments.
Stay tuned for more, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Continue following us on our journey in Gambia.